Right, hello and welcome back. It is about an hour later than the last video. Done a short leg session and now I'm ready to finish off my dinner for the night. So we see the chicken breast, that's 45 minutes in the slow cooker. I got the taro there, that was about half an hour in the steamer. And then the spinach, that was just like 5 minutes. We'll do that in the steamer. So what I'm going to do, just put it down there, is cut up the chicken. I'm going to use this knife, it's quite a good knife for cutting the chicken, and just get it into nice slices. Now 45 minutes in the, I don't know if you can see that, in the slow cooker gets the chicken nice and succulent. It's not too dry. Any other method to cook chicken breast can end up a little bit dry. Normally I'd wait for the chicken breast to cool a bit longer. In fact, I'd just leave it to cool in the fridge, and I'd cut it when I get home after work and eat it then. It's a little bit easier to cut into these thin slices when it's cooled. I don't know why. There must be some physics in there. That's someone's IA or EE. Why is a chicken breast easier to cut into thin slices when it's cooler? It's just breaking apart a little bit and cut it up when it's warmer. I'm not so worried. A little red bit there, you're probably noticing. It is cooked. It's cooked all the way through, but I'll nuke it in the mic anyway when I eat it. You know, if I eat it later on, I just give it a real good nuke it in the mic so it's properly sizzling when it comes out. But if I cook it longer than 45 minutes, like the other day, I put the slow cooker on with the chicken. I forgot about it and cooked it for about 55 minutes, and it was a little bit on the dry side. So that's one breast into there. I'll get my taro. I should use this knife for the taro. Nice and see that right? Nice and soft. That's easy to cut through. It's like almost like it's a little bit softer than I would ideally like. It's not quite holding together when I cut it into. Oh, it's hot. When I cut it into the discs there, so I've probably just overdone the taro by about 5 minutes. No, it's not a big problem. It just doesn't hold together as well. Oh, that was hot. And then what I'll do, get a drink of water. I need to keep hydrated after the leg session. I keep it short, the leg session, because otherwise, just down here. Yeah, keep the leg session short, otherwise sometimes you just won't do it. Especially as last night, I had a bad night's sleep. Checked the Whoop. If you're wondering what that is, that's my Whoop there. It tells me my sleep score. From the weekend until Monday, I had 6 days in a row of green recovery. That's above 66%, which means you had a great sleep and you totally recovered. Which I'd never had that before. I've never even had 2 days in a row in the green. I thought, oh, I've cracked sleeping. But last night, I think I'm down to like 33%, which is in the yellow, almost red, which I think is below a quarter. So, because I didn't sleep well, I just did a short leg session so that I actually did it. Otherwise, if I'd planned something too long, I just wouldn't have done it. So yeah, if you ever want to wind me up, if I'm looking grumpy in the day and you want to wind me up, just say, oh no, did you have a bad Whoop score today? What's your Whoop score? Your Whoop recovery. Well, if I'm having a good day, I'll be fine, but oh man, there goes the but to be honest, I don't need to cut the spinach because it's pretty when you steam it for 5 minutes, it's pretty soft. I'll just put that in there. I have washed my hands before you ask. So, oh yeah.